Hi, we're going to do Lexia lesson Irony 2. So we're going to learn about irony today. But first of all, I need you to get a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen. You're going to write your answers on the piece of paper. Then I'd like you to take a picture with your phone. Once you have the picture, I need you to upload it to your Google Drive. After you upload it to your Google Drive, add it to this document so that you can turn in your picture. Thanks. Okay, story A, story number 1. You're going to write the answer. So this is story 1, and there's 1, 2, 3 questions. So you're going to answer A or B. Archibald Cole lives in a cold city with icy winds, frozen rivers, and an Arctic chill that freezes his eyes before he even thinks about crying. So Archibald saves his money to take a vacation on a tropical island with warm water, hot sand, sunny skies, and a fruity drink served in a coconut shell with a little umbrella. On the long plane ride to the island, Archibald dreams happily about his vacation of a lifetime. When Archibald gets off the plane, it is cold. The temperature hits a record low, even colder than the city Archibald just left. During his vacation, it actually snows on the island for the first time ever. That sounds like my vacation would be. The situation is A. Archibald wants to enjoy the cold, icy weather. B. Archibald leaves for a vacation in a warm place. Which one? Yes, A. The expected, no, it's not A. It's B. Sorry, that wasn't funny. The expected outcome is he will arrive on an island with a tropical sunny weather. B, he'll arrive on a chilly, snowy island. A is the answer. So you've got B for number 1, A for number 2. The actual outcome is ironic because A, the island turns out to be colder than the city he left, or B, the island is usually very cold and snowy. A, the island turned out to be colder than the city he left. Story number 2. It is finally Saturday night, and Sasha has been waiting all week to go see the blockbuster hit of the summer with her friends. At the last minute, her mother is called to work and asks if Sasha would stay home to babysit her younger brother. Sasha responds by rolling her eyes and saying, "Of course, Mom, I would much rather stay home and babysit than go out with my friends." The situation is Sasha is looking forward to a night out. What do I expect the story to be? The expected story is Sasha's going to see the movie, right? What is the actual ending of the story? The actual ending of the story is Sasha is babysitting. Is the unexpected? Is this unexpected or ironic? Why or why not? Um, it's I think it's ironic because you know what she wanted to do was go to the movies, but instead she had to stay home with her brother. Story number 3. A jeweler sells a rare diamond to a customer in Brazil. The diamond is worth so much that the jeweler hires 20 security guards and an armored jet to deliver the gem. The clever jewel thief disguises herself as one of the security guards, planning to steal the diamond just before the jet takes off. The even more clever jeweler places a gumball in a fancy velvet box and hands it off to the security guards. He packs the real diamond in a shoebox wrapped in brown paper and mails it to Brazil. Meanwhile, the jewel thief follows her plan, steals the velvet box. She laughs at how easy it was to trick everyone. When the jeweler finally opens the velvet box, the jewel thief, excuse me, When the jewel thief finally opens the velvet box, she sees the gum bell and realizes that she was the one who had been tricked. What is the situation? The situation is a jeweler needed to transport a rare diamond. What do I expect the ending of the story to be? The expected ending of the story is the jewel thief steals the jewel or the diamond. What is the actual ending of the story? The actual ending of the story is the jewel thief is tricked and gets a gumball. Is this unexpected or ironic? Why or why not? This is ironic because the jewel thief thought she was going to get a diamond. She didn't. Okay, here are three different types of irony: dramatic, situational, and verbal. Draw a line between the story and the type of irony it shows. Dramatic irony: the audience knows something that the character doesn't. That would be story number 3. We knew that there wasn't a diamond in that jewel box. There was a gumball. Situation: the difference from what is expected and what happens. That is story number 1. The difference was it was expected to be cold. It was not expected to be cold. It was supposed to be warm and tropical, and it was cold. And verbal irony: the difference between what is said and what is meant. It's also known as sarcasm. Remember, Sasha said, "Of course, I would love to stay home and babysit my brother." That was verbal irony. And we all use it because we all love sarcasm. So, I hope this helped you remember what the different parts of irony are. And in your interactive digital reading notebook, you'll find an anchor chart that restates the 3 different types of irony. Thanks. Don't forget, take a picture of your paper and turn it in. Thanks.